PRC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
Hey, this is James Spann. You've clicked onto the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Tuesday morning, the 3rd day of February. Cold is the word. Cold today, even colder tomorrow. But hey, it's going to be warm inside the Trussville Civic Center. Yes, Storm Alert 2009 rolls along this week. This is the annual Severe Weather Awareness Tour we do across the state. If you want to meet the entire weather team, get some cool stuff to take home, have some fun, come join us. If your kids love weather, bring them down. We'll be at Trussville Thursday evening. Kicks off at 7. The doors open at 5. I'll do the weather there live at 5 and 6 o'clock. We always have a ton of fun at these things. After Trussville this week, we're going to Jasper on the 12th, Oxford on the 19th. And again, we'll have one more stop, and we will announce the date a little later. Let's go to our Skycam network early this morning. Tennis, anyone? No, I don't think so. It's 29 degrees down at Livingston on the campus of the University of West Alabama, where this Skycam is located. Downtown Jasper sitting at 26 degrees early this morning. There's a look at downtown from the top of the King Building. And traffic awfully light out on Highway 280. And by the way, any standing water this morning is ice. Just be aware of that. Most all the water is gone, but Jason Simpson encountered a little bit on the off-ramp near the television station, I-65 at Valleydale Road. There's the water vapor shot this morning. Big, deep, cold trough over the east. And a warm ridge out west. Phoenix could see 80 today. And we do the weather on a radio station out there, and quite a contrast. We got them in the east, got them in the west. And there's a look at the numbers this morning. I'm seeing some readings close to 20 below zero up on the Canadian border. That's awfully cold. Chicago's sitting at 1 degree. Looks like Des Moines is 2 below zero. And around here, cold enough. Birmingham, 26, 25 for Coleman, and 24 for Haleyville and up in Muscle Shoals. And again, tomorrow morning and Thursday morning should be even colder. Dry's the word. This is the QPF for the next 5 days, valid through Friday evening, suggesting nothing. There could be a few sprinkles or flurries today, but generally speaking, we will be dry through the weekend ahead. Here's a look at modeling. This is the 06C GFS at noon today. Western Ridge, Eastern Trough, and look at those low thickness values. The high today should be in the mid-40s with a chilly north wind, and again, moisture awfully limited. I don't think we see too many sprinkles or flurries, but maybe a few. Tomorrow, the cold air is even deeper. We think the high tomorrow will be close to 40. We might not make it out of the 30s. And still windy. That wind is going to cut you in half tomorrow. The wind chill will be below freezing much of the day. And then Thursday morning, the surface high right over us. And the model numbers are coming in lower now, down into the middle teens. And I sure think we need to bump our numbers down. We've got 19 in our public forecast for Thursday. We'll probably have to bump that down to 16, which means the colder valleys could be closer to 10 early Thursday. But we start to warm up during the day. The high should be in the upper 40s. Friday will feel much better. Temperatures around 60 by Friday afternoon. What about the weekend? I think we'll be fine. Saturday, partly sunny, a high between 60 and 65. And Sunday looks good. Partly sunny and mild. Monday of next week, pretty good-looking storm system comes out of the Rockies. That might be a thunderstorm type event. Maybe some strong to severe storms for Dallas-Fort Worth and Little Rock, Tulsa, Shreveport. But Tuesday, it weakens. As the upper-level system weakens north of us, the surface low fills, and it kind of fizzles out. So really, this run suggesting the rain event a week from today might not be that big of a deal. But again, that's 7 days out. That could change. Let's go out 5 more days on the 15th. That's a pretty interesting look for much of the nation. Very cold vortex over Canada and a fast southern stream down below that. And again, that opens the door for all kind of mischief. Every run is going to look different. We know that, but you can see how shallow cold air is in place over Alabama and little runner down there below us in the Gulf of Mexico. So we'll keep an eye on that. The end of the forecast on the 18th. Now we've got a big trough developing out west with a warm ridge over Florida. It looks like a stormy kind of thing there, but again, There's no skill in specifics, but I think changeable is the key word since the NAO is not strongly negative or positive. Changeable is the word for the rest of this month with all kind of stuff likely coming at us. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video by 3:30 or so this afternoon. And if you're local, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.
Weather.